We are at 28,595 Orchard Lake Road in Farmington Hills, Michigan. We got an Otis elevator. All right, here it is. Let's go to 1. Going up?
Yeah.
Which one are you going to? 2?
Yeah.
The lobby?
Yes.
That'd be 2.
Wait, I get out.
Yep. Have a good one.
You too.
Very nice. It does classic up a little bit, so we'll see if we can get that on video. There's the phone. Very, very little bit. So it's kind of hard to see. All right, now we'll go back up to 3. We'll get a nice cab view of this elevator. You can see it a lot better when we go up. We under leveled a little bit.